Okay, Cellos, Orchestra 1, page 26. On page 26, we are learning the G string notes. We are learning the G major scale and fourth finger G on the D string a little bit later on the page, okay? We're gonna start with line number 1 and go over the notes that are on the G string, which will be followed by line number 2 with the G major scale. With the G major scale, we start to learn a new key signature. So the G major scale key signature will only have F sharps, okay? That's the only sharp that you guys will have, okay? We lose our C sharps that are normally played with our third finger, and we now are gonna be using our second finger, okay? So on your scale sheet, I believe that was called the teacup finger pattern. So you have 1, 2, or open 1, 2, 4. Okay, and you're still gonna put your third finger down when you're going to your fourth finger. Don't leave, oh, that's hard. Don't leave your third finger up, okay? So open 1, 2, and then 4. Okay, so we completely lose that third finger, which would have been C sharp, and we now just have our second finger, okay? This is why it was important that when we were using our third finger that we weren't just leaving our second finger up in the air. It was important that you kept it down because now we have to use it, all right? So we now have C naturals. On the G string, your fourth finger is also gonna be called C natural, okay? So you need to make sure that you play a good, nice fourth finger. One way that you can tell that your fourth finger is in tune, if you have tuned all of your strings with a tuner, your fourth finger will make your open C string ring if it is in tune, okay? Okay, I wish I could get the camera a little bit closer and you could see that C string vibrate, but we'll save that for another time. Okay, so whenever you play your fourth finger C in tune and your fourth finger G in tune, your C will ring for the C and your open G will ring for the G on the D string, okay? So let's go over line number 1. Starting on open G. Rest A and rest B. Going to fourth finger C. Look for that C string ringing. Rest. First finger A will ring as well. Open G. Repeat. First finger A. Third finger B. Fourth finger C. Look for the string ringing. Didn't ring that time for me. It did that time. B. First finger A. Open G. Okay. Now we're gonna go to line number 2 and you are doing your G major scale. Your G major scale is very similar to the D major scale that we learned. It's starting on the G string, okay? So you're gonna play each note for 2 beats and make sure that you're listening for those ringing tones, looking for the strings vibrating when you're playing your fourth finger C's, fourth finger G's, even your first finger A, your open A string should vibrate at the same time, okay? So G major scale, line number 2. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to email me at any time.